right, here we got a nice little mini skid steer loader. It's RD380C. Gas powered motor. It's got the quick disconnect for the bucket. You can add implements if you'd like with the auxiliary hydraulics. Pretty neat little machine, very smooth operating. LED lights, locking fuel cap, ready to work. I'll fire it up really quick and show you how it goes. Power outlet, 12 volt. Other than that, pretty sweet. Come check it out on preview day. We got a bunch of them, and see you then.